In every working shift, we need to lubricate the machine with hydraulic oil. There are 5 places. In the video, you can see we lubricated these places. Let's first operate the machine in manual mode. First, turn on the main switch. Then turn on the top roller motor switch. You can see the power indicator is on light. Then press hydraulic on button. Then you can see this is sucked. And then press inching button. You can see the low roller rotated in clockwise direction. This means the wire connector is correct. This is door open. This is door close. Door open. Door close. This is a roller up. This is roller down. This is inching. Inching is in manual. Inching, when we press it, the low roller rolls. In manual mode, we test the machine. When machine is if test well, we can operate the machine in auto mode. We press the reset start, then press start mode the button, then the machine work automatically. In electric box, there is DLC time relay. It has 3 units. One is S, one is H, one is minute. Or normally we use S. S means second. We set 5 seconds to roll to a roller. You can see. This is in auto model to set roller time.